So we have the equation 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 4x plus 3. Before you do anything else, notice that in front of the greater than or equal to sign, we have 3x minus 2. And behind the greater than or equal to sign, we have 4x plus 3. This tells us that we have two sides. To get rid of the 3x, we have to subtract 3x from both sides. Why? Because 3x minus 3x will be 0. So we will have 3x minus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 4x minus 3x plus 3. 3x will cancel out minus 3x. 4x minus 3x is the same thing as saying 4 minus 3, which will give you 1. So if you have 4x minus 3x, you will have 1x. But usually, the 1 in front of the x is left out. So when you have 4x minus 3x, you will get x. So the equation becomes minus 2 is greater than or equal to x plus 3. At this point, we want only x to stand alone. How do we do that? To let x stand alone, we have to move plus 3 from the right hand side and bring it to the other side. That way, x will stand alone. To do that, we have to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. Why do we have to subtract? Because this is plus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will give you 0. To do that, we will have minus 2 minus 3 is greater than or equal to x plus 3 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 will give you minus 5 is greater than or equal to x. Why? Because plus 3 minus 3 will cancel out. Now, notice that x is standing alone. Minus 5 is greater than or equal to x. Can be rewritten in the normal way where we write x first. So it will be x is less than or equal to minus 5. Don't let this confuse you, okay? When we say $5 is greater than or equal to $3, it's the same thing as saying $3 is less than or equal to $5, okay? It's just different ways of writing the same thing. To check if our answer is correct, we will plug in x is less than or equal to negative 5 back into the equation. Let's do that and see what we will get. We have 3 open parenthesis negative 5 minus 2 greater than or equal to 4 open parenthesis negative 5 close parenthesis plus 3. Parenthesis means multiplication. Okay? So 3 times negative 5 will be negative 15 minus 2 greater than or equal to 4 times negative 5 will be negative 20 plus 3. Negative 15 minus 2 will give you negative 17 greater than or equal to negative 20 plus 3 will give you negative 17. There you have it. This simply means that x represents all numbers that are less than or equal to negative 5 will make the equation valid or true. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Always remember that practice makes permanent.